Is LinkedIn Premium worth it? 8 reasons why you should subscribe. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into LinkedIn Premium. Is it really worth the subscription fee? If you're thinking about leveling up your LinkedIn game, this video is for you. We're breaking down the top 8 reasons you might want to give LinkedIn Premium a try. What is LinkedIn Premium? Let's start with the basics. LinkedIn Premium is a paid subscription that gives you access to some pretty cool features you don't get with the free version. We're talking about things like in-mail messaging, seeing detailed insights on who's viewed your profile, access to LinkedIn Learning, and so much more. It comes in different flavors: Premium Career, Business, Sales Navigator, and Recruiter Lite, each designed to meet different needs. So, why should you subscribe to LinkedIn Premium? Let's get into it. 1. In-mail messaging. One of the biggest perks of LinkedIn Premium is in-mail messaging. This feature allows you to message people outside your network. Whether you're reaching out to a potential employer, mentor, or business contact, in-mail makes it possible. And unlike regular messages, you get a monthly credit allowance to use, perfect for expanding your professional connections. 2. Better job search tools. If you're actively looking for a job, LinkedIn Premium Career has got your back. Not only do you get to see who's viewed your profile, but you can also compare yourself to other applicants. Plus, the Top Applicant Jobs feature will show you job listings where you're more likely to be considered a top contender. It's all about giving you that extra edge. 3. Resume an interview. Prep. When it comes to getting hired, having the right resume and nailing the interview are key. LinkedIn Premium offers resume insights, helping you tailor your resume with the right keywords to match job postings. And for interviews, there's an interview prep section with hundreds of common questions recruiters love to ask. You'll be ready for anything they throw at you. 4. LinkedIn Learning. Who doesn't love learning new skills? With LinkedIn Premium, you get access to LinkedIn Learning. Tons of courses covering everything from tech skills to leadership development. Finish a course? Add that shiny certificate to your profile for everyone to see. It's a fantastic way to keep your skills sharp and your profile standing out. 5. Company research. If you're job hunting or researching competitors, LinkedIn Premium gives you access to deep insights on over 350,000 companies. You can see data like headcount growth, job openings, and hiring trends. This info is gold when you're making big career or business decisions. 6. AI Writing Assistant. Want to boost your profile with some AI magic? LinkedIn Premium has a Write with AI feature that suggests improvements for your profile's wording and headlines. It's like having a personal copywriter on hand to help you stand out even more. 7. Unlimited searches. Ever hit that annoying commercial use limit when searching on LinkedIn? With Premium, that's a thing of the past. You can search unlimited profiles up to your third-degree connections, giving you more opportunities to connect with the right people. 8. Browse privately. Last but not least, LinkedIn Premium lets you browse in private mode. You can check out other people's profiles without them knowing and still see who's been checking out yours over the last 90 days. It's the best of both worlds, privacy and insight. So, is LinkedIn Premium worth it? Well, that really depends on your professional goals. If you're job hunting, looking to network, or want to take your skills to the next level, then yeah, it's definitely worth considering. It's packed with tools that can help give you a serious edge in today's competitive job market. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on leveling up your career. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.